Good morning, Shawn. I hope you had an okay time off and we ran safe and all that good stuff. Look, it's me. I'm down in the corner. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna have you make a R2D2. And so the first thing we need to do is to go to a program called Pixlr. There's going to be links for this and for the picture and the tutorial and all that kind of stuff on the class website. So this will be a good spot for you. Okay, so let's start by going to the website, pixlr.com. Okay, it's going to look just like this. You're going to need to make an account. So I think yours should be up in the top right. So you're going to need to log in. Unfortunately, I can't show you that. You're going to have to maybe work with your mom or whoever to try to walk you through how to log in and create your own account for that. Because I already have one, so it's not going to let me set up another one. But once you are in, you're going to go to Photo Editor, Next Generation. And we're going to go to Advanced E. All right, we are going to go to Create New, and we're going to do a full HD. Hit Create. Okay, we actually want our canvas to be turned the other direction, so we're going to go to Image, Image Rotation, Left, Rotate Left. Okay, so now it looks like this. All right, the next thing we're going to do is go to our paint bucket. We're going to try to make a color that's similar to this background color. So we have to go down here. And so let's say, so we have to use our color picker and scroll down and find something. So if we look in here, that's kind of close. Maybe I'll go down a little bit. I'm going to hit OK because I'm happy with this color. I'm going to take my paint bucket and fill it in. Over in my layers on the side, I want to lock my layer. So that way I don't keep clicking on it over and over and over again. Okay, my next thing is to add a new layer. So I'm going to go to that layers section, hit plus. I'm going to do an empty image. Hit OK. So what I want to do is make a shape, because we're going to make a shape to the top half of R2D2's head. All right, so what we need to do is click on, if we go all the way down, you see there's a circle and a square, so we're going to click on that. And then up top, we can see that there are a bunch of different shapes up here. We want the circle. And we don't want a stroke, so an outline on it. So we're going to actually bring that to 0. And we need to pick what color we want. So we're going to get like a gray for our R2D2. And hit OK. So we want a circle that's going to fill up a lot of this space. So I'm going to actually start on the left side of my screen. I'm going to hold down Shift so that way it makes a perfect circle. That looks pretty good. I'm going to let go. You notice for some reason it was black, so we're going to have to change the color of that. So I'm going to go to my paint bucket again. I'm going to click on Fill. There we go. So now we have our circle. Okay, but if we look at R2D2, he's not a full circle, is he? So we need to go to our eraser. Actually, we're going to go to our marquee selection. So we can see it kind of comes down a little bit. So we're going to go just past halfway. I'm going to click, drag, and I'm going to hit delete. All right, I'm going to hit Command D to deselect. So now I have my shape. Okay, I'm going to hit plus under my layers, empty image, and then this time I'm going to make his body. So I'm going to go to my shapes again, and I'm going to click on my rectangle. I'm going to go right underneath of this last one. I don't know why it's filling in black, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. So I'm going to make it just as wide as my circle. Oh, that should be good there. Okay, and I'm going to have to fill it in again because it doesn't like being... I'm going to go a little lighter because if we look, it's almost like a white there. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to fill... Oh, I'm going to click on my fill. I'm going to fill that in. All right, and I'm going to line them up just like that. Now I'm actually going to go to my layers, click, and I'm going to click on merge down. So now those two layers are actually connected. All right, and that's where we're going to stop for the day. And so here's the thing, with this program, you don't actually have to save it. Okay, so all we have to so we save, it's not going to save it anywhere in particular. So if you have an account, it just saves it right there. So you should be good to go. So you can just turn it off, and then we'll come back to it tomorrow. All right. So all right, have a good day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, Shawn.